there, it's Amelia bringing you another Microsoft PowerPoint video. In this video, I'll show you how to print speaker notes and audience handouts for your slideshow, including printouts on paper and generating your notes to a file. In addition, I'll review how to convert your PowerPoint file to PDF file format. Let's get started. So whether you're speaking at a live event to a large amount of people or you're delivering your presentation online on a WebEx, for example, you may need to refer to the notes that you've entered in the notes area here in your slideshow. And the notes area can be toggled on or off via the notes option here on the bottom as needed. So let's take a look at how you can generate the notes pages. I'm going to click File, Print. And by default, in the settings, it's set to print full page slides. But by clicking on the drop down, I can select Notes Pages, and then the preview on the right shows you what the Notes Pages will include is a picture of your slide and any notes. So I'm just going to go ahead and advance a couple pages so you can see what it looks like. So if you'd like to print this, you can just select your printer and then print it on paper. Or if you'd like to generate a file to refer to, you can select Microsoft Print to PDF. And what that'll do, I'm going to go ahead and select it. This is actually generating anything that you would print. You can generate to a PDF here, including the notes page. So I selected Microsoft Print to PDF, and I'm going to go ahead and click Print. And it will prompt me to save my print output as a PDF. You'll just need to select the destination location to save your PDF file with your notes page. And I'll go ahead and provide a file name and just call this Presentation Slide Notes. And I'll click Save. And as you can see down at the bottom here, it quickly generated the PDF. Now if I flip over to what you have been calling Windows Explorer, they've now renamed back to File Explorer if you're using Windows 10. So here's what I saved, Presentation Slide Notes, and if I go ahead and open that, you'll see that the notes pages, let me just make that a little smaller, is now generated into a PDF document. Okay, so I've returned back to my presentation, and I also want to show you that you can generate an outline of your presentation as well, which would include all text content from your slides. So that's also available in File, Print. We're going to click on the pull down, and this time we're going to select Outline. So as you can see, this does not include notes, but it does include text from each slide, which would also come in handy as an outline that you could refer to while presenting your slideshow, or you can generate this for the audience as well. And next I'd like to show you that you can also generate handouts with slide thumbnails, which would also come in handy for your audience or for you to refer to as well to practice or while you're giving your presentation. In the pull down here under settings for what to print, you have the option of generating handouts including 1, 2, or 3 slides, and then you can choose either horizontal or vertical orientation. So for example, if I select 3 slide handout, it would look something like this. And let me show you one other variation. Let's say 6 slides vertical would look something like this. So you can choose this if you just want to see your thumbnails, or one of the other variations if you wanted to include thumbnails along with notes area for your audience. This can also be printed or it can be generated, for example, to a PDF. Now in earlier versions of PowerPoint, a print dialog box displays instead of the print pane that you see here, but the options are generally the same. Okay, now finally I'm going to return back and explain about converting your slideshow to a PDF document through File, Save As. Just click File, Save As, and to see the familiar Save As dialog box, you're going to click Browse. So next, what I want to do, up at the top here, this is the location it's going to save to. You can navigate to a different location as needed. In the file name, change the file name if needed, and then the Save As type, I'm going to click on the drop down, and you want to just select PDF. And notice now that there are some additional options at the bottom of the Save As dialog box. I'm going to go ahead and click Options. And then from the Options dialog box, you can change the slide range, specify what to include. So for example, slides, handouts, notes, page, and outline. So this is going to give you similar option as you saw in the file print options. Also, if you are generating a file that needs to be PDF-A compliant, then you want to make sure that this box is checked. Okay, so at this point I'm going to click OK. And to save it to PDF, I'm going to click Save. It will publish it to a PDF and it will instantly open the PDF. And let me just make that a little smaller so you can see. So this is the actual PowerPoint that I've generated, but you can choose the other options like having notes or handouts and convert to PDF there as well. Now please note that the PDF version of your slideshow will not contain any animations or transitions. If your slideshow contains animation or media such as video or audio, then refer to my PowerPoint video number 24, which explains how to convert a PowerPoint file to video format. Well, that's it for today's video. I hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please click like. If you like my channel, please click subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.